Get it, Roxy.
Ooh, that one tossed up a rock?
I don't know.
Jeez.
What is that, Roxy?
She's standing now?
Yeah, she's going out. She's looking for him now.
Monty, get your
Pookie, come here.
Seven, come here. Come on, Seven. Come here.
Look at Roxy. Pookie, you stay.
Who's going to be the first dog to
Pookie.
catch a fish?
Pookie.
He's going to be good.
Pookie.
Seven, come on. Over here.
Who's crying?
Oh,
That's Cass.
Cass,
Oh,
he
oh,
wants-
because Roxy's out there?
I think he wants a fish so bad
Oh.
he can taste it, literally. He's a big baby. Oh, come on, Seven.
Oh, it just got real quiet now.
We need another boat. Pookie!
Maybe I was wrong. Look at these three down here.
Look,
I
Roxy's
hear a
still
boat.
swimming.
Yeah, here comes the boat.
Oh, good.
Come over here, Pookie.
Pookie, come.
Cass isn't crying at rocks. He's crying for
No,
fish.
he wants the fish.
Oh,
Good.
Pookie.
Oh, the one
Pookie.
got off. Oh, he got back in. Oh, yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
beach.
Still over there.
He's gonna get in though. I think he's gonna get back in.